Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 3604 Shoreline Drive on beautiful CONESUS Lake.
This is a spectacular CONESUS Lake dream home with a rare 59 feet of lake-level waterfront.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
Welcome to this CONESUS Lake dream home with a beautiful entry deck leading to this leaded glass door, a stunning foyer, and immediate lake views.
This is open and updated waterfront living at its best. This immaculate home features a designer kitchen with custom soft-close wood cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and quartz countertops with a breakfast bar. Open to a waterfront view dining area with recessed lighting and sunroom access. And a two-story living room with a wood ceiling, a stone gas fireplace, and a wall of windows, all with beautiful engineered hardwood floors and scenic lake views.
This is a spectacular and grand first floor owner suite, featuring an office, and a walk-in closet, and a luxurious spa bathroom with an amazing shower with multiple water jets, and a spacious bedroom with a bed bay window, all with an adjacent laundry.
Enjoy elevated lake views from the second floor loft area, leading to two spacious bedrooms, a full bathroom, and a bonus room or potential third bedroom. The space is just wonderful. This is the best of outdoor living inside this cathedral ceiling sunroom with a wall of windows and access to the expansive deck. All with scenic water views and western exposure for breathtaking sunsets over the water. This is the lake lifestyle everyone dreams of, with 59 feet of lake-level waterfront with a great yard, a concrete break wall, and a dock perfect for jumping in the crystal clear water.
Nearby this property is the quaint hamlet of Lakeville with great restaurants, shopping, and parks. Nearby is SUNY Geneseo, a great college, and Letchworth State Park, the Grand Canyon of the East.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 3604 Shoreline Drive on gorgeous CONESUS Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!